Hey y'all, welcome back. It's a beautiful Saturday here. Stan and I are out here. We are going to boil some crawfish, better known as mud bugs. If you live in the South, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then stick around. We're going to show you how we boil some mud bugs and how we season them and spice them up, and we're going to eat them for supper tonight. We're going to have family over, so it's going to be a fun night. So y'all hang out and let's go. Obviously, we're still living the quarantine life over here. I think we're on week 7, 6, 7, 8. I'm not really sure. It feels like week 2,399. But we did invite my parents and Stan's parents over. They have been quarantined themselves, so we feel very safe and totally fine and hanging out with our family in the backyard and enjoying times together. I feel like we all kind of need some socialization, just kind of get out of the monotony of like being in the house, do you know what I mean, and not being able to go anywhere. So I'm really excited that family's coming over and we're just gonna have a really good time, and y'all get to come along with us. Hey, tell us what you're doing.
Well, I've got about 70 pounds of crawfish, and I'm about to stick them in fresh water and let them purge, get all the nasty stuff out of them, that way they don't taste muddy.
Look at them crawdads. Okay, so how long do you have to purge them for?
Usually at a minimum, run them through two fresh waters. It doesn't take very long, but I'll probably purge these for about an hour before.
Jack, what you think? You excited to eat some crawfish? Do you remember how to peel them? No. No? Mika, are you gonna eat some? What do you think? Don't stick your finger in there, they'll get you. They'll pinch you, okay? You're so cute. Yeah.
I'm trying to get this one.
You gonna get one? You're just hopping around. Ew. Ew.
Dumped the first batch already. You can see it over here. Sprinkled little Zatarans.
That's about 35 pounds, huh?
Yep. And now I got the water boiling, and we are fixing to put the second batch of 35 pounds in there. Watch it as I put it in there.
Yeah. Wow.
So now we wait, bring that back to a boil. Once we do, we'll let them boil for another 5 minutes and then shut the fire off and let them soak in the juices. That way they'll be a little bit hotter.
When are you going to put the corn and potatoes in?
After that.
After that? Okay. Maria, what are you cooking?
Crawfish.
Crawfish?
Do they cook crawfish in Guatemala?
No, we don't eat like that kind of food.
They're too good for us in Guatemala.
Yes, we are.
Okay,
So we
show me what
cooked
we
the
got.
first batch and we're letting it sit in the spices so that it'll be hotter and spicier.
All right, let me see. Smells good. And we've got it on a big propane tank. Why don't you show them the seasonings you're using?
I used several bottles of this concentrate, crawfish, crab, and shrimp boil. Louisiana fish fry
Okay.
product.
Awesome.
And then this is Zatarans, and we sprinkle this all on the crawfish while we put it in the cooler and it steams. So
And then in a few minutes, what else are you going to throw in there with it?
we'll put some corn in there, and then we'll put some small red potatoes,
Yeah.
and then we'll throw those in there once they're cooked.
So are you to the point where you have to wear your glasses all the time?
Yes.
No, only for reading, but I read all the time, so that's why I keep them with me.
Well, are you reading now?
No, that's why they're on top of my head.
Well, you look like an old man.
He is an old man.
What did you say?
Let me take you to the back, and I'll show you I'm not an old man.
Can you tell everyone, not our big news, but tell them we have big news that we're telling the family tonight?
We do. We have big news that everybody in our immediate family knows, but our parents and our aunts and uncles don't know, so we're going to share that with them tonight when they come eat crawfish.
And that means
And
you
the
need
only person that knows that is not part of the immediate
He's
family
the best person in
is
the world.
Maria. We felt sorry for her because,
What?
she's just not really truly a part of the family.
Oh,
Well,
yes, she is.
Yeah, I mean, not for you, but Mr.
Yeah, Miss
Miss Ashley.
Ashley. Get my name straight, sister.
Miss Ashley.
You think
Stretch.
Okay.
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 you want to stretch out your calves,
Okay, what are we doing?
and then hold on. You gotta watch out. I don't want to kick you in.
Emerson. Oh my gosh. He's going to hit his
Watch
head.
out, Mika.
Come on, Mika.
Over here. It's gonna hit you.
Whoa!
Whoa!
I do it.
Whoa!
All right, come on, Maria.
Okay. Great.
Are you okay? Hey, what are you laughing at, Emerson? You do it.
Okay, I know.
Now you remember when I hit your house? I went.
That was pretty impressive. Way to go, babe.
That was actually a bad toe touch.
Well, then let's...
Back in the day, when I was young and limber, I could put my legs up here above my head.
Did you just call yourself old?
What?
Did you just call yourself old?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
That was back in the days when...
Back in the day, I could.
When you didn't have that right there. Look at these cute girls. What are y'all doing? Hey, Izzy.
You know, all this stuff.
Hey, Mika.
You just chill.
You're so cute. What? Oh, is it cold?
Izzy's splashing.
Is she splashing? Oh, Izzy, you're so sweet. Are you ready to get in the pool, Izzy? Are you ready to get in the pool? Poor Izzy's been hitting a bunch this week, so
What are you doing?
that's why Emerson's holding her face, because she likes the pressure. Isabel, stop that. Can I help you? I know. We're ready to swim, aren't we? Oh, okay. Where are we going? She told me to come here. Oh. Cool. It's too cold. You want Daddy to throw you in?
Throw you in?
You want Daddy to throw you in?
Hey, I think she's trying to tell the people she wants to show them her pool. And crawfish bowl.
And Stella.
and her
Okay.
dog.
There's Stella. What else you want to show them? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, okay. So we kind of set up out here. Got our tables out. What else? What? Oh, is this where the girls are sitting? Huh?
Yeah, hey.
Hey, Mika. Who do you love? Maria or Sissy? Who do you love?
No!
Oh.
Me!
Which
We're the same
ones?
color, Mika. You need to love me.
Okay. I'm following you. Okay. Hold on. Let me get Izzy and Mika, and Izzy and Emerson. I
I'm
mean.
not Mika, I'm not.
I know. I'm sorry. Look at Izzy. Does that feel good, Izzy? Look how she points her little toes like a ballerina. She's hardly sat prissy like that. Wait. Okay, what else? Is that the ladder? You know how to climb up that ladder, don't you? Okay, what else? Yeah. Is that Rainy?
Yes, make it spicy. We're gonna throw ourselves into labor.
You ready to go into labor? Look at your baby.
Week and a half.
She's 3 centimeters. I'm sure all you people want to know that. Our body's getting ready.
That's exciting.
You're excited. Do you love crawfish?
I'm really not sure. Oh, I love crawfish so much. This is what I have for my birthday every year.
I think it's kind of your love language.
It really is.
Yeah.
We had it for our rehearsal dinner.
Give you a big hug and then feed you crawfish, and love
That's all I need
languages
in
are
life.
met.
Yeah, I mean, it's all I need.
Well, we're fixing to get some. Okay, y'all, it's that time of the night where we get to share our secret with our family. We have been keeping this secret for about a week and a half, and we were dying to tell them. Some of them were starting to wonder what was up. I was starting to get nervous and trying to put everything into place. But if you don't know what this secret is about, I am going to share a link to our YouTube video that explains what is going on and what we're telling our family in this clip. And y'all, with all the excitement, I totally forgot to end this vlog out that evening. So here I am a few days later saying thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.